Hey, Allison Cram here. You're here today because you want to learn how to make money online as a complete beginner. My goal here on this channel is to help you create the abundant life you dream of and that you deserve, and to help you live your life on your terms for the benefit of you, your family, and those you influence. So if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you really like it. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with, share my videos with other people that you think might also be interested in learning how to live their truly abundant life. So our topic today again is how to make money online as a complete beginner. So let's get right into that. If you're looking to own your own business, or if you want to be your own boss, you don't want to have to work on somebody else's schedule, or maybe you're just looking to make some extra money on the side in 1 or 2 hours a day, online is truly a great venue with which you can do that. The world is truly your marketplace online. As of June of 2017, 51% of the world's population has internet access. 51%. And so for the potential for making money online is indeed huge. But for a beginner, it can be a little bit, let's say, overwhelming. There are so many things to learn. It is a whole new world, so to speak. And so there is a lot to learn. One of the first things you have to determine is, how do you want to make money online? Do you want to sell on Amazon? Do you want to sell your own products? Would you like to market somebody else's products or services? Do you want to do coaching or mentoring or something like that? That's one of the first decisions you have to make, is what skills and abilities and assets do you have that you would like to utilize to make money online? And then the second thing you have to figure out, once you've kind of figured that out, then you've got to figure out, how am I going to get people to know what I have available? How am I going, in the online world, we call that traffic. How am I going to get traffic from out there on the internet to my website, to my services, to what I have to offer? And there are a lot of ways that you can do that. You can use Instagram. That's a way that a lot of people use to drive traffic. You can use Facebook or YouTube. A lot of people use Twitter. You can do email marketing. You can do what we call solo ads, and it goes on and on and on. There's so many ways to drive traffic online. And you can do a mix of all of those things. But the thing is it becomes a little bit overwhelming to know what to do and how to do it. And so you start by trying a bunch of things that this person says, oh, try this and it will work. And so you try it and it bombs, and you work and work and work, and you're clueless. You don't know what you're trying to do. The help isn't there that you need. And it's really just overwhelming. And you end up spending a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of your hard-earned cash to try to make it happen. A lot of people, they don't understand that to build a business online does take some specific learning, and it takes some education to get there. So I want to share with you today 3 things that really will help you as you start as a beginner, so that you don't waste a lot of your time and energy and finances. So the first thing to know as a beginner is that you really need to have a good mentor and coach. And this has to be somebody that you trust, somebody that has already shown you, proven that they've had success online. And there's many different ways that they prove that. Maybe it's by the size of their email list, or maybe it's because they've shown you their earnings, or maybe you've seen their videos on YouTube for several years, or whatever. But there are several ways, but it has to be somebody you trust, somebody who's open and honest and transparent with you, and that will help you as a beginner to figure out what is it that you want to do, and then how to get there. And the second thing that you need is that you yourself need to be willing to go the distance. And what I mean by that is, to do a business online is no different than to build a business in the real world, a brick and mortar business. It takes time, it takes energy, it takes an investment of funds. We own a cranberry farm, and when my grandfather first built our cranberry farm, and when we rebuild fields at this point, we know that it's going to take at least 2 years, maybe 3 years, before we get any crop off of those vines at all. And so we know that we are outlaying a certain amount of expense to put in the irrigation, to do all the things that we have to do to prepare the field. There's labor, there's resources and supplies that we use up in order to build that field. And we know that it's going to be 18 to 24 months or more, 36 months maybe, before we ever even see a crop off of that and see income. And building a business online, it doesn't necessarily take as long. Some people do start making money within the first few months or whatever, but to really get to full speed and to be making 20, 30,000 a month, it does take time and it takes consistent effort. You can do it on 1 to 2 hours a day, and that's the beauty of working online. You can start working online and building up your online business until you get to a consistent income that will replace your current income, if that's what you want to do. And then you can say goodbye to your boss. But it's something you can start on the side, or if you're out of work, you can start and get going and make something happen within a few months. And so that's part of the beauty of it. But it does take commitment. It takes consistency. And if that's just 2 hours a day or 1 hour a day, be consistent with that 1 or 2 hours a day. It takes a learning curve to figure out how does everything work together, and how does this program connect with that program, and how do I send out emails to all these people, and how do I keep in touch with those who have expressed interest. And so to learn how to do it, it does take time. And so if you are willing to go the distance, if you are willing to put in the concerted effort over time and to be consistent and to work diligently at it, you will find success online. The third thing is it does take a willingness to learn and to get a proper education, so to speak, online. There are a lot of programs out there who tell you, we'll show you exactly how to build your business and teach you what to do. And what it is, it's a few videos that tell you that you need to have an autoresponder and you need to build a funnel and you need to do this and you need to do that. But do they really get in there and they show you step by step how to do each of those things? Do you have a coach or a mentor that goes through that with you? So to get started online, you really do need to be willing to bite the bullet and to say, I'm going to learn this. I'm going to learn how the autoresponder works. I'm going to learn how ClickFunnels works, or whatever program you're using to build your funnels. And to say, I'm going to learn how all of these integrate together. I'm going to learn how to do copywriting. I'm going to learn how to do an ad campaign and put that all together. I'm going to learn how to do each of these things. And so you can find all the components on YouTube, so to speak. For example, you can find there are many people who have great videos on YouTube about how to build an online business. My coach and mentor, he has a great YouTube channel. But if I wanted to build a business just from his YouTube videos, I've got to go in and I've got to find the ones and figure out how to put them in order. The other difficulty that you face by building a business online through YouTube or something like that, and trying to do it all on your own, is that there are a lot of so-called gurus out there who think that they have the answer and think that they are all that, and they have no clue what they're talking about. And you can waste a lot of time and a lot of money by trying to go with them. So once you have a good coach and mentor, hopefully they can help direct you to a good learning program. I know I tried for about 18 months to build a business online, and I had little to really no success with it. I worked hard, I was diligent, I was consistent, but I just didn't have somebody to really show me how all the pieces fit together. And finally, a friend of mine introduced me to my now coach and mentor, and he introduced me to a training program, an educational program that shows you exactly step by step by step how to put a business together. In fact, this training program is an 8-figure, multi-year, 8-figure earner online who has gone in and he's building a business, and you literally get to look at his computer screen while he's setting up his websites, while he's integrating his autoresponder with his funnel, while he's writing his emails. He sits there right in front of you and composes his emails, and you can see his screen and exactly what he's doing. And so you really get that firsthand knowledge of not only what sequence in which to do everything, but also exactly how to do it. And somebody who's been successful is showing you exactly how he's building a business right alongside of you. And so my goal is that you not have to go through this frustration and the tens of thousands of wasted dollars that I went through. I want you to be able to get your feet on the ground and take off running as soon as possible. And if you have a dream of being your own boss and owning your own business, making extra money to support your dreams and your families, it's very much something that you can do online. And so if you want to do that, please take it from me. I've been there, I've tried, and it has been very frustrating. And until I got connected with the proper coach, a great training program, and I realized it wasn't a get rich overnight type of a thing, my whole world has changed around. In fact, within 3 weeks of getting started with the new training program, I had my first $500 day online. And it was so exciting to see that, hey, it works, and all these things that I'm learning, I can now scale this up and I can keep growing with it. So if you're interested, I would be glad to share with you my #1 recommended educational program for getting started online. It's actually in the link in the description down below. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you got some value from this video. And if you did, please be sure to share it with other people. I'm just starting into the YouTube platform, and I really want to grow my channel and help other people get started with making money online. And so please share it with other people, subscribe, and also click the bell so that as I upload new videos and share new insights with you, you will have access to those right away. And then if you would, please comment in the comment section down below what it is that you're looking to do with your online business. Are you looking to go full-time? Are you looking to go part-time? What kind of online business are you interested in? And if I can be of help in any way, I'm glad to do that. So again, thank you for watching. Click the link in the description below to see my #1 recommended training program for beginners. And this is Allison Krem saying have a great day. I'll see you next time. And please have a blessed day and never give up on your dreams.